You thought it was over, didn't you? You thought the pain broke you. You thought the failure defined you. You thought the world moved on without you. But deep inside, there's still a fire, small, silent, waiting for you to breathe life back into it. This is MindForge, where broken minds become unstoppable. You fell, you got lost, you made mistakes. Maybe life hit you so hard you forgot who you were. But listen, falling doesn't mean you're finished. Losing doesn't mean you're weak. It means you were in the fight. It means you cared enough to try. And that's what separates the defeated from the relentless. You've been quiet for too long. You've been doubting yourself for too long. You've been telling yourself, I'll come back someday. But someday is now. This is your comeback season. This is where you rise again. Comebacks aren't built on comfort. They're built in silence, when no one's cheering, when everyone's forgotten your name. They're built in the lonely hours, when you push through the pain that broke you before. When you train your mind to say, I'm not done yet. You have to remember who you are. You've been through hell before and you survived. You failed before and you stood back up. You've been broken and yet you're still breathing. That means you're not finished. You're not lost. You're just preparing for the next chapter. Stop seeing your past as the end of your story. See it as the training ground for your rise. Every scar you carry is proof that you didn't quit. Every tear you cried is fuel. Every time you got knocked down, you learned how to get up stronger. The world may have counted you out, but they forgot something. You're not built to stay down. You're built to rebuild. You're built to rise. You're built to come back when nobody expects it. Listen, comebacks are never pretty. They're not easy. They're messy, painful, exhausting, but they're real. And the pain you feel now, it's the birth of your next version. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to keep moving forward, even if it's slow. Start small. One action, one step, one decision. Wake up early again. Focus again. Believe again. Every comeback starts with a single moment, the moment you decide that the old you isn't gone. He's just evolving. You want to know what separates the ones who stay broken from the ones who rise. It's not strength, it's choice. Every single day they choose to get up. They choose to fight back. They choose to believe that no matter how far they've fallen, they can still climb again. You are not too late. You are not too old. You are not too far gone. You're right on time, because the lessons you've learned are exactly what you needed to build the version of you that's coming next. The comeback is never about proving others wrong. It's about proving yourself right. Showing yourself that you can still do it. That you can still fight. That you can still rise from the ashes and become something greater than before. When you come back sharper, wiser, stronger, because you've seen what failure feels like and you're not afraid of it anymore. You faced darkness and you found light inside it. You've been broken, but that's what made you unbreakable. This world respects power, but it's built by resilience. You don't earn strength by winning. You earn it by refusing to stay down. Every setback you faced has been shaping you, refining you, hardening you for this exact moment. So stand up, dust off the pain, wipe away the doubt. Look at yourself in the mirror and say it, I'm coming back. Say it until your fear gets quiet. Say it until your strength wakes up. Say it until your body moves before your mind can doubt. You are not behind. You are not broken. You are in the middle of your greatest comeback story. This time, you're not starting from scratch, you're starting from experience. You've been through the fire. Now you rise from it. You've been at your lowest. Now you aim higher. The old you fell. The new you learns how to fly. So when life whispers, you can, you shout back, watch me. Because you're not done yet, you're not finished. You're not defeated. You're coming back, and this time you're unstoppable. Your future is waiting. Go claim it.